Okay, so you might not know this, but especially if you have trees, it's likely that your driveway is covered in a layer of mold and mildew. This is living stuff and it's trying to break down your concrete. And so it's time to ask the age-old question, will it pressure wash? Let's find out. You can really see the difference here, and it's actually sad that it didn't get cleaned earlier because maybe some of those cracks could have been avoided without all those years of mold and mildew sitting there. You can tell that it's clean because of that golden glow in the sun. Just gotta wash off the rest real quick and then after pictures.